Hello, it's Joey Atlas, exercise physiologist and personal private health coach and fitness consultant. I am about to shoot a full-length indoor cardio video for a private client. What I decided to do was, before that, I will shoot a shortened version, a condensed summary version to share with you, so that you can also try this if you're a busy business traveler, at home, if you're at home and the weather's bad, you can't get outside, if you're trying to get yourself healthy and in shape, or you are already healthy and in shape and looking for other options to add into the mix, especially to help keep you fit on the road. This is one option. Of course, this is only cardio. So I've got the treadmill going. I'm going to hop on here, and let me give you the essence of the Treadmill Trek. Treadmill Trek, I don't like running on treadmills. I love to run outside. I love to walk, to jog outside. That's my preferred mode of moving these legs when it comes to walking, running, jogging. When the weather's bad, if it's raining, if I'm at a hotel in a cold climate, or visiting a client in a part of the world where the weather is just not conducive to being outside, of course, treadmill is where I like to be, but I don't like running on treadmills. And there are a lot of people who can't run on treadmills because of knee issues and or for back issues. They can't be running. So if you fall into that category of not being able to run, but you can walk, this Treadmill Trek is gold. So I'm going to give you the shortened version. I have my warm-up going. I'm going to warm up for maybe 2 minutes. It's basically a 2-mile-an-hour speed. I'm going to take my percent grade up to 4%, and that's my warm-up interval. 2 miles an hour, 4.5% grade, which is the hill that I'm walking on. And then at 2 minutes, I go to my next interval. I'm going to raise the speed to 3.5 miles an hour. And my percent grade, I'm going to take it up to about 8% grade. Now, I'm giving you the condensed example version of this. I'm using the Technogym treadmill. Awesome piece of equipment. I love these. Super high quality, well made. I believe they're made in Italy. And great line of equipment. And so we've got our controls right on the side here. Up and down, plus, minus. The hill is on the left. That's a percent grade or incline. Right side is our speed. So I'm at 2 minutes. Now I'm taking this up to 3.5 miles an hour for my speed. And I'm taking my hill up to 8%. Now here's how this works. Notice, I'm not running, but I am increasing the intensity of this training session by walking and walking uphill. My speed through the entire long session that I'm going to record after this is going to stay at 3.5 miles per hour. My focus on this treadmill trek is going to be on the hill, the percent grade that I'm walking on. I am going to take this up every 60 seconds. I'm going to go up 2%. So in 1 minute, I'm going to go up to 10%. A minute after that, 12%. A minute after that, 14. A minute after that, this machine, this Technogym treadmill, tops out at 15%. So I will stop at 15 because that's as high as I can go. I will stay there for about maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes. We'll see how I'm feeling. But when I get there in the long session that I'm going to video record, I'm going to be sweating. The sweat, you will see the perspiration. I will be sweating, I will be working without having to run, without having to pound on my knees, without having to pound on my back. I will be able to get an awesome cardio session, feel incredible when I'm done, break a fantastic sweat, get all the benefits of a cardio session without having to run, and while still being able to do it indoors on a treadmill. So, that's the condensed summary version. Again, once I turn this down, I'm going to restart. I'm recording a full-length version which will probably take me about 30 minutes, maybe 36, depending on exactly what I do. I'm recording that for a long distance client so that as I'm coaching them remotely, they know exactly what to do in this session. So I'm going to take this down now so that I can get myself some water, get set up, make sure I'm fully prepared, and then I can take myself through a half-hour Treadmill Trek session. That's it for now. If you know somebody who should see this, who can benefit from it, from the concept, from trying a mini session themselves, tag them below or send this over to them. Let them benefit from it as well. If you need any help yourself with your actual fitness programming, your nutrition, your mindset, because everything starts here. You don't have the right mindset, you'll never develop accountability, you'll never be able to stick to your plan and stay the course for a lifetime of health, wellness, and longevity. And a person in your position, a person with lots of responsibilities who wants to achieve a lot in life, your health and wellness and longevity has to be a priority so that everything you do professionally, career-wise, the business world, and with your family and for yourself is based on a foundation of health, wellness, and longevity. Has to be a priority. If you sacrifice that, if you don't have that, everything else in your life is sacrificed and never achieves its full potential. You, mind, body, spirit, soul, have to be priority. That's it. No two ways about it. You have to take care of yourself. Nobody else can do it for you. Your health, your life, your wellness is in your hands, and it all starts here. So, I'm done. I'm going to shut the cam off. Any questions, post below. I'll share some links below as well, where you can follow me, find me, and we'll go from there. Thanks for tuning in.